To Delco Beach Dreamers. As you can see by the pictures, we had a big storm this week. I'm Brenda.
Gary.
Or
Skip.
Skip. He prefers Skip. So this picture is taken at the bay down the South Jersey shore. And as you can see, it is completely frozen. That is ice.
Yeah.
Crazy, right? So we started the storm in Pennsylvania and we ended it the rest of the week in New Jersey. And this is what New Jersey looked like. Pretty impressive. Frozen Bay.
Frozen everything.
Frozen.
Driveways froze.
Everything's frozen.
It iced. It sleeted.
It's sleeted. This week we're going to talk about our sales from January 16th to today, January 31st. It's our bread and butters. It's slow this week because the holidays are over. Usually the next 2 weeks after the holidays, people will buy whatever they didn't get at Christmas for themselves. And then it slows down. So we're going to show you our bread and butter sales for the last 2 weeks. Okay. The first thing is from Love to Scan. This is a 2005 Hallmark Jingle Pals. It's the piano player. I believe this was one of the first ones, if not the first one. He can claim some big dollars, up to $200. This one, however, was not working. He had corrosion in his battery pack, and I mentioned it was for parts only. It drastically decreases the amount of the price, but for $16, I'll take it. Number 2, is this 1991 Christmas ornament by Baldwin. It's covered in 24 karat gold, but it's brass, and it's very detailed, lacy, and this sold for $19.99. Jump. They're jumping all over the place. This is a Calphalon plastic rubber scraper, 12 inches, and it's sold for $14.99. Wow. This is a 1995 Santa Town at the North Pole. It's made out of resin. It's pretty cute. It's got Santa Claus and the elves decorating the tree. It's sold for $14.01. I believe it came with its original box. I do not see the box. There it is. That always helps. So that sold for $14.01. This is a Kugel style heart glass. Kugels are from, were they Germany?
Most of them, yeah.
Okay. And this was a glass heart. Kugels can go for, this one sold for $10, the best offer. They can go from $10 to several $100, depending on the shape of it, when it was made, how old it is. This one just sold for $10.
The older the better.
Yeah, more valuable. And this one sold for best offer at $10. Okay, these are little monks, friar monks. They're Fontanini, which is the Deepos, Italy. They have a little spider mark on them. These are happily eaten, I guess, a leg of lamb and a sandwich. And they're a bottle of wine. These sold for $10.63.
Oh, I love him.
He's cute.
Pet him.
He's a St. Bernard cover head for golf clubs. He's pretty adorable.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I would get much golf playing done if he was on top of my golf club, but I would proudly display him. He is from Korea, and he sold for $12.50. Pretty cute.
Yes, he is.
They look like puppets, but there's no arms or
They
places.
just go on the golf club head.
Yep, go right on top. This is, oh my goodness, I thought I had these all set up. This is Roger Rabbit. He's from 1987, and he has suction cups on his arms and legs so that you can attach him to the windows. He is from Disneyland, and he went for $14.95.
Got some age.
He's got some age. These are sugar frosted fruits. There's 25 pieces all together. Pomegranates, apples, pears, an onion, lemon, grapes. These are what they used to put in the mid-centuries into the centerpieces onto
Yeah,
the
the
dining room.
baskets.
Yeah, in the baskets or
Never
bowls.
spoil.
Never have to worry about them going bad.
Mm,
And they sold for $24.68.
mid-century.
Mid-century. Okay, so this here is what eBay said that Love to Scan made. $252.81. They collected $15.88 for taxes, and then $106.20 was for fees and shipping labels. And they're saying from that $252, I collected $130. However, that is not true. Actually, the total sales were 121. Is this right? 121. Yeah. No. This is the wrong one. This reason why this doesn't make sense is because this is not Love to Scan. This is Delco Beach Streamers. I don't know what happened to Love to Scan. Sorry. Let's move on to Seashore 21. This is Gary's Things. All right. So this sold for $5 and a penny, and it is
It's a little milk pitcher. I forget what that's called.
Creamer?
Marigold or something. Manifold. It's all, yeah, it's a creamer. All different colors in the glass. Art glass. It's got some age, mid-century-ish in that period, maybe a little bit after. But it sold for $5.01.
okay.
Bread and butter.
Bread and butter. So that's all this is about.
Mm.
Your next thing is
Get your hits here and there. This is a coffee pot or a chocolate pot. Ironstone, made in England. And it's sold for
$25.
$25.
Best offer.
Um,
That's the back
pretty
stamp.
good shape. It sold fast. It's made in England.
It actually did so. Let's see. You listed it on January 10th, and it sold January 21st.
Bought it at Goodwill.
Bought it at Goodwill. What I liked about this is that it coffee pot or chocolate pot, we would use it as a coffee pot, but back and then chocolate was highly sought after. It was a luxury. They would melt the chocolate, add the cream, put a little bit of sugar in it, and they would put them in these beautiful pots to serve them to their guests. So that is why it's called a chocolate
Yeah,
pot.
it's like
as
Ironstone.
well.
I did say it was Ironstone, right?
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah, it's nice. Antique.
I do not know what's going on with this today, but anyhow, we'll get through it. All right, so the next thing of yours is a
Postcard. It's the public school in Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey, which is close to where we're at now. It sold for $12.09, and
dates from 1906.
yeah, it's 1906. Pretty old. I bought tons of postcards at a yard sale, and I'm selling them off little by little. And a lot of New Jersey, mostly New Jersey, Wildwood, Stone Harbor,
Cape May,
Cape May,
Courthouse.
Cape May Courthouse, North Wildwood, West Wildwood, the Crest, Boardwalk hotels. Anyway, here's two ornaments by Roach, made in USA.
You can see right here.
Yeah, on the caps it says Roach. They're probably from the 60s, 70s. And they sold for $11.50 for the pair. Christmas time.
Oh, these are all after Christmas. This is January.
Hmm.
So these is another postcard of yours.
Yes, it is. A lot of postcards I got were hotels, different hotels, and some are still up and for sale. Some I haven't put up. But this one sold for $4.99, and it was
The
Tuscany
Tuscany
Motor Inn.
It was located at 19th and Surf.
Yeah, probably from the 1960s. Can't see the back right now, but that's my guess. Yep, everybody used to come down, get a room. Now it's all condos.
1973.
Oh, okay. A little newer than I thought.
Mm-hmm.
But that still was the big thing to get into a motel and swim in the pool, then go to the boardwalk. Look at all them nice looking people in their bathing suits.
All right. This next one is
This is a Lego idea book, 51 pages, 1987, and it's sold for $10.65.
another postcard.
Another postcard. This is from Stone Harbor. It is Shelter Haven Hotel. It sold for $4.67.
From 1947.
1947, before I was born. And this is a pretty cool one. This is iconic in North Wildwood. The Lollipop Motel, North Wildwood, brochure. It sold for $9.99. No, I think it sold for $8, didn't it?
It did.
It sold for $8. They made an offer and I accepted it. It's still here. It's still in North Wildwood, where most of them are tore down now. Iconic. And this is a sport. They're pretty neat. First one I ever had. It's a spoon and a fork.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a weapon.
You're going to spork someone to death?
Yeah, if they mess with me. Yeah, it sold for $4.35.
All right. Okay. So this is saying that Gary brought in $167, $11.89 went out to taxes, $71.79 they're saying is for eBay fees and shipping labels, and then he made a profit of $83.37. However, his let's see, he actually sold $91.26, and after all the fees and everything was taken out, it was $83.37. So even eBay total is including the shipping labels and the fees and everything that they collected, and then once they subtract it, they get to the $83.37, which looks like half of our profit is gone. But actually the sales were $91 and he made $83.
Yeah, it seems like we're not making a lot of money,
It's bread and butter.
but we've had times when we've done really good, so keep an eye on us.
Right. Well, the thing is, this is just part-time resellers.
Mhm.
It's our treasure hunting, and it does help to make ends meet. But it's not our primary source of income. Gary is a painter, and I work in the health fields. So we do have other funds. This is just to help a little bit along the way.
Yeah, well, we've done it for years
We have.
when it first started, so we've been up and down. And now we want to get back and share with you what we do. And as time, when it gets in the spring, it gets better.
Yeah.
But we're hunting.
We're hunting. So these next sales are from Delco Beach Dreamers. This is the home that we bought in Delaware County. And these are things that we have put up for sale to help pay for the
Remodeling.
the remodeling. Yep, bring everything up to date or code. So this first thing is a 1959 Mars Three Musketeer candy box. It's empty. There's nothing in it. No old Musketeers in there at all.
Got some age.
It's got some age. It's an empty box. It's sold for best offer of $10.
That was an attic find.
An attic find. It was in the attic. Okay. This next thing is, used to be able to get these out of the Wheaties. You would send away from the Wheaties was a cereal, kind of like a sugar-free
Wheaties,
cornflakes.
Cheerios, all that.
Yeah, but this was from Wheaties. These are bicycle license plates. These are for the international countries. We also have United States ones from the different states, but this one was the international countries, and they sold for $35.
Put them on your bike.
Put on your bike.
They're like mint condition.
Mint. They never used them. They were literally still in the envelopes. I wonder if I have a picture of one of the envelopes. There it is. They were literally stored in the envelopes. Okay.
Cool.
Next one is, these are rooster mugs. 2 of them. Samson Pottery, Westminster Blue. They're like blue stencil to me. They have a salt glaze to them. They remind me of the old Crocs.
Primitive. Primitive looking.
Yep.
The old
And
stencil Crocs.
these 2 sold for $25.
Nice.
Yep. Okay, this here are, everybody had these. These are those plastic bowls, Melmac, Melamine. Everybody grew up with these plastic bowls and plates when we were kids.
If you're old like us.
Yeah, if you're old like us. So this was a set of 6 bowls, 2 divided vegetable bowls and 4 cereal or soup bowls. They have the nice little wings to them. These sold for $15, best offer. Oh, this one was not from the house. Do you remember where we got this?
Trash picking.
Trash pickers.
Yeah. Some of the best stuff comes from the trash.
Yep,
That's a whole nother story. We could do a whole
whole other issue on that.
big time.
Do a video just of us trash picking, but
One of the things we got.
trash picking, raccooning, whatever you want to call it, we do it.
Clean
Our daughter used to call it TRSing because when she was a little girl, Gary would come in and say, okay, I'm going to go trash picking now. And the first thing our daughter wanted to do was to jump in the truck and go with him. So he had to start spelling it. So he would go, I'm going TRASHING. And our daughter caught on to that eventually and said, I want to go TRSing too. So she was a smart little cookie. She caught on. So we started calling it TRSing.
Still got the bug, she does.
She is a hunter. She loves to go treasure hunting, but she doesn't sell anything. And her house is jam-packed with treasures. She finds really great things.
Yeah, usually at thrift shops.
She loves to go to the thrift store, but she doesn't sell. She keeps it all. She finds really, really awesome things. I would love to just go in her house and show you everything that she has. But I'd have to go to Texas to do that.
Not really. You got a bunch in the closet here that her Stipes and.
But those are the
Steves
things that she was from a kid. I'm talking about the stuff that she's personally hunted herself.
There are things that she took from us. Okay.
So this sold for $11.96. Not bad for a trash picket.
It's the fun.
And this one, it has the plastic head. It doesn't have the cloth head. Xavier Roberts made many different models. And this one actually came with a tooth. I don't know if you can see her little, there it is, little tooth right there. And those are the different features that they look for. Plastic head, braids, tooth, and dimples. Yep, and I put all that in there. This next one is a Corning ware casserole dish. This was sealed in the box. But we learned years ago that take that item out of the box and show that there's no damage to it. We have sold an item years ago that we were like, yay, it's sealed, it's original, it's in the box, nobody ever used it, this is awesome, it'll go for more money, which it did. However, when the buyer received it, she said that it was broken, and I had no way of proving that it wasn't because I never took it out of the box. So now I learned to remove it from the box and show that there is no damage. And this sold for $18.70. It's very pretty. Okay, and I have all the labels and everything that went with it, so they know that it still was new. Okay, so Delco, let's make sure I got the right one this time. How did I know the last time? That looks right. Yes, that's right. So Delco Beach Dreamers are saying was $195.75. eBay collected $12.04. Shipping, labels, and fees was $94, and they're saying it's $88.88. But the actual sales of our products before any of that was $114.66, and then out of that 114, we got $88.88. Okay, so thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment. The more you subscribe, the better our algorithms are. Even if you drop a comment, say hello, or can you believe this or that or the other thing, or if you have any questions, please feel free to do so.